Hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be a bit of a review of the Swiss Army knife Classic SD. Okay, so first of all, it comes in this leather, well, it's supposed to be leather pouch. It's quite good, although it's not that tough because you can see there, it's a bit of a split in it. Good, but not that tough, but it's good. Okay. Now this one is a limited edition, so it's a Control Techniques limited edition. You can't buy this anywhere. Okay. It is like a dark green colour, so very camouflage out in the grass, in the wilderness. Very good. Okay. So it has a key ring here. They do actually count that as a use. Okay, as a tool. Yeah, it's quite hard to get off. And anything on, so it's best just to put something through it. Okay. Now, first it has a toothpick. If I can get it out. Yeah, anyway, there's a toothpick there. It's hard to get out with one-handed, seems I don't have any nails. But yeah, there. Toothpick. Leave that out there. Then on the other side, it has a pair of tweezers. If I can get it out again. Sorry for the camera quality. Yeah. And tweezers are not that strong, but they're not that bad. Okay. So yeah, we have. This will be. I think this one is the. I can't open it. Anyway, wait a minute. Let's see if I can. So this there is the. That's a nail file. There, nail file. That's quite handy actually. And a flathead screwdriver. That is actually quite decent, but you've got to watch out because it's not that strong. Okay, it's only a small one. As you can see in comparison with my finger, it's not a big knife at all. Okay, but it does the job. So yeah, nail file and a nice flathead screwdriver. And I'll try and do this a bit better this time. Hold it here. So put that one away. Here we have the knife. This is the blade. Okay. Now it's only small, okay, but sharp. So watch out. It's good in like cutting light stuff, but I wouldn't really cut something heavy with it because it's not long enough. For starters, again, comparison with my finger, not long at all. Okay, it's only about 1.5 centimeters long. Okay, but it is a decent blade, and it does have the spearhead nice and sharp. Okay, so that's very handy, and it's very good for just simple tasks. Okay, it does not lock, but it's decent. Now, last but not least, we have the almighty, most common used thing on this knife I use is this, the scissors. Now this is awesome. Okay, I haven't found anything better than this. That is awesome for cutting stuff. Like, I have to say, it can't get anything too heavy, but it bloody can. I mean, it's not really big, but that can cut through some good shit. Yeah. Very good scissors on there. They're very good for cutting nails or anything. Very, very good. Again, corrosion free. These Swiss Army knives are awesome for that. So yeah, that gets used a lot. Okay. What do I think of it? The whole knife in total, not bad. Now, as I say, you can't buy this, so take a good look. These are control techniques. Victorinox Swiss Army knife classic. Just put these back in. Tweezers. I'll put them in after. Okay, so I am going to upgrade to a Victorinox Huntsman. Okay, I am in the process of buying that. Okay, yeah, there's a few more things on it and it's a bit sturdy. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.